Bing.
Coco! Hi, Bing! Hello, Charlie! Hello, Wiltrim! Hi, Bing! Hello, Pando! Hello!
Someone's in a hurry.
You alright, Bing?
Yeah, he's okay.
Yeah, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I'm in CBeebies Land! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, hello everyone! You're in CBeebies Land too, fantastic! Well, I'm really excited to be here in CBeebies Land. I can't wait to go on all of the roller coasters. Look, I've even been practicing my roller coaster noises. Are we ready? Woo! Oh, Ellie, woo! How about we all practice it all together? So after three, we're going to make really big fushy noises. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Fish! Yeah! Oh, good job, everyone. Fantastic. Now, I've got my bag here. It should be full of all the stuff we need for my day out at CBeebies Land. So let's have a look. So inside here, we have got, we've got a nice little funky hat. Perfect, that has a big spin as well. Yep, it does, fantastic. We have got let's see what else we've got here. Oh, we have got some lovely spare pants. Never mind, let's put that one away. Hide that one over there. Let's see, we've got a little camera to take some photos. Fantastic. Great, Mac. Well, you never know what could happen in England. And oh, yummy, delicious. Oh, there's a carroty bagel as well. Oh, but it's not for me. I made it for one of my friends. Now, who do we know that loves carroty bagels? Who loves carroty bagels? That's right, Bing loves carroty bagels. And Bing and Fox should be here any moment now to join me out on my day.
Come on, Bing.
I'm coming! Come on, Hoppity.
Hello, Bing. Hello, Fox and Hoppity. Can we all say hello to Bing, Fox and Hoppity? Hello.
Are you okay, Bing?
Everybody's looking at me, Flop.
Oh.
Oh, Bing, it's okay. How about we say hello to all our new friends together? What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, good idea. Okay, ready, Bing?
Yeah, we're ready.
Yup.
Can we all say hello?
Hi.
Hey.
Good for you, Bing Bunny.
Yes.
Oh, right. Now, I can't wait to go on our day out today. I can't wait to go on all of these rides. Look, Bing.
Me too. Can I, Flop?
Indeed.
Fantastic. Oh, and I've even been practicing my roller coaster noises for today. Ben, are you ready? Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! I'm a bit tired of that. I need to save my energy for all the rides today. Oh, Bing, have you ever been on a roller coaster before?
No.
Okay, well, I have been, and would you like me to tell you all about them? Yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, good idea.
So, some rides can go really fast, like this one, the Octonauts ride. It can go so fast. Now, this really fast ride is really lots of fun. Oh, and it pushes really fast, just like Hoppity.
Hoppity Boosh.
That's right.
Ah, yes.
Oh, Bing, how about me and you practice our Fushin? What do you think? Come on, Bing, can we?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, no, Bing, how about we practice Fushin with everybody here?
Oh, yes.
Yes, okay. So, we're all going to practice our Fushin noises when Flop says, let's go, go, go. Okay, so we're all ready.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready, Flop?
Let's go, 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 go!
Very good. I'm back again, Bing, I'm back. Ready? Finish! Oh, brilliant. Wow, look at this round of applause. That was fantastic, Fushin. That was great fun, wasn't it, Bing? Did you enjoy that? You did enjoy that, Bing?
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. Oh, should we have another look at the map, Flop? Yeah, let's see, what else have we got on the map? Okay, oh, now Bing, some rides do more than just go really fast. What else do you think they can do? Have a think.
I don't know.
Okay, well some rides like take, this one here, the bumping around. Well this one, it spins. It's like Coco when she dances, Bing. Do you like spinning?
Oh, yes.
Ah, perfect. I like spinning too, but sometimes it does make me go a little bit dizzy. Do you like being dizzy, Bing? Do you?
Yup. I like dizzy.
Okay, and what about you, Flop? Do you like dizzy?
I like being a little dizzy, but if I get too dizzy, I feel all wobbly and a bit yuck.
Yeah, I get that one, Flop. Maybe we should practice our spinning. What do you think, Bing? Shall we do some spinning together? How do you think?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, no, wait, Bing. How about this time as well? We have everyone here joining spinning too. What do you mean? Do you want to do some spinning as well, everybody? You do, fantastic. So, make sure you've got lots of space. And when Flop says, let's go, we're going to do lots and lots of spinning, okay? Are we all ready? Make sure you've got lots of room. I think we're ready, Flop, when you are.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, we are ready, Flop.
Let's go, 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 go!
Okay, I feel a bit dizzy. Now, hold on. It might pass. Maybe if I go the other way, that might help. Okay, that's a lot better. Very good spinning, everyone. That was great. They did great, didn't they? Oh, they were fantastic spinners. So much. Maybe I'll leave you to go on the bumping around by yourself. I'll sit out for that one. So I don't think it's for me.
Yes.
Indeed. Well done, Bing.
Oh, I'm hungry. Is it picnic time?
Actually,
Yep.
I've got something for you just over here. There you go. Look at this. It's a carroty bagel, Bing. Here you go.
Yum, yum. Carroty bagel. Oh, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Indeed.
Yummy, delicious.
Indeed. Let's get the wheelie.
I'll get it for you, Flop. No worries.
Hello, Wheelie.
Hello, Wheelie.
Can I put it in the wheelie?
All right. Here you are, Bing.
There you go, big buddy.
Thank you, Flop. You go in the wheelie.
Should we go on some rides, Bing?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I think that's for you. There
Ready,
you go.
Bing?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's go, 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 go!
Okay, let's go, shall we? Let's make our way up. We've got all the rides. Leave it back. Get that.
Oh.
Wait a minute. Bing, I'm sure we forgot something.
Oh, I think I know what it is. We haven't had a photo of everyone. Would you all like photos of Bing and Flop? You would. Oh, fantastic.
Can we do a picture, Flop?
Sure, I'll get the phone.
Okay, fantastic. So Bing and Flop are just on the way out. We'll be back very soon. So can we all wave goodbye to Bing and Flop? We'll see you in a few moments. And if you would like to have a photo with Bing and Flop, then we have a new line just here down the middle of Big Fun Showtime. You have your phones and cameras at the ready. And coming up next to Big Fun Showtime, we'll have the tape at 11:30.
Good.